Music. Okay, the princess and the bride. The Cinderella of the Naga South Central. Okay, here we go. The Sailor Moon. Okay, the Wonder Woman of the Santo Rosario. Okay, here we go. The Cinderella of the Naman High School.
Sir Director.
Okay, Maleficent of the Buboy ES. Okay, the only Rapunzel of the Banda Sound District. Luca S. Okay, here we go. The Catwoman of Hawaiian Elementary School. Okay, next in line, the Cruella of Southern Pinabanga High School. The Sleeping Beauty of Banahaw Elementary School. Okay, another the Robin Hood of the Wolf High School. Mana ba si Ruby? Okay, those are the cosplayers of this category. Okay, first cosplayer, Cagawasan Elementary School, Ma'am Alma B. Canisha, as she portrayed as Princess Diana.
This old town can slow me down. Good morning, everyone. I am Alma Canisha from Bagawasan Elementary School. I really have chosen this globally popular story, The Frog and the Princess. Princess as Chana or Anika Noni Rose, and the Frog, Naveen, as the Bruno Campos, which was popularized by two German brothers, William and Jacob Grimm. Because this story has a wonderful and meaningful moral that all of us can learn and apply in our daily lives, especially to the young school children. The story teaches us different character traits and values, such as being independent, being hardworking, and determination to pursue our dreams in life. And of course, to honor our words and never break our promises. And most of all, not to love, accept everyone equally without regarding of his looks and appearances. Mama, I don't have time dating and dancing with his frog hunter, Mr. Finier, right here. I remember Daddy told me a fairy tale to come true. I remember Daddy told me a fairy tale to come true. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I don't need to kiss a frog to find a princess. I'm so sorry. Let me see if I got this right. If I will kiss you before midnight, you and I will turn human again. And then we can get ourselves married and live happily ever after. People say that I am crazy. Well, I don't care. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
Okay, so school. Novelin G. Melesio as Cinderella.
Ano nag-sound ninyo? Tara din.
Have courage and be kind. Where there is kindness, there is goodness. And when there is goodness, there is some magic. Cinderella. Good morning, everyone. I am Novelin Garcia Melesio, representing Inabanga South Central Elementary School.
Tagnawan Elementary School, Ma'am Russell Silis as Sailor Moon.
Sailor Moon, a novel released in 1998 by Stuart Shildon. Moon present power make up! I am Sailor Moon. I will fight the evil power of the Dark Kingdom. I will punish you. I am the pretty guardian who will fight for love and justice. I am the Sailor Moon at the Nawan Elementary School.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Sailor Moon. Next in line. Pareho po ko sa nakakunik natin sa iyo, natin sa nakakunik ang salit. Elementary School, Ma'am Maribel Fajardo.
and will save the world. So I slay, I fight, and I give for the world I know can be. If no one else will defend the world, then I must. This is Marlo Boyce Pardo, the Wonder Woman of Santa Rosario Elementary School!
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Maribel Fajardo. Now, High School. Ma'am Joy-Marie De La Torre as Cinderella.
We not? After all, I'm still a member of the family, and by royal command, every eligible maiden has to attend. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the princess, who spends her time primarily cleaning and cooking. You're not so ordinary, princess. Cinderella. No matter how your heart is breathing, if you keep on believing that you wish to come true. It's a beautiful dress. Did you ever see such a beautiful dress? And plasticers. I love to dance, dilly-dilly. I love to sing. When I am playing dilly-dilly, you shall be king. Oh my goodness! It's midnight! I have to go! I am the Cinderella of Ignawan Inabanga High School. Thank you.
Ma'am Regine Nicamon as Cruella.
They say there are 5 stages of grief: denial, anger, depression, bargaining, and acceptance. Well, I want to add more: revenge. This is Regine Nicamon from Southern Inabanga High School, representing Cruella!
The Broken Heart of Wood Primary School, Mark Anthony and Nota.
want you. Are you with me? Yes. Hell, and swear this oath that you, the bringing of this body, swear the spoil the rich, only to give to the poor. So, you sir, the oath and the helpless, to protect the women, rich or poor, normal Jackson. Look at God. From the water school.
Okay, thank you. Dila Victoria as Maleficent.
Para amoy. Wala gyud sounds.
For the sunset of her 60th birthday. She will put her finger on the spindle of the wheel and fall into a sleep like death, a sleep from which she will never awaken. This will be nothing but time, and no power on earth can change it. I am Kathy de la Victoria, the Maleficent of the Boy Elementary School.
Awalnya kisahnya dekat po. Ma'am Sharon Maldigo as Rapunzel.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sharon Manigo from The Lost Princess, Rapunzel of Lutao Elementary School. I am the Lost Princess. It's all you. I won't let you use my hair again. I can't believe I did this. I can't believe I did this. I can't believe I did this. Mother would be so furious. The audacity. What she know would have killed her. Oh my gosh. That would kill her. This is fun. I am a horrible daughter. I am coming back. I am never coming back. I am an incredible human being. This is the best day ever. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, ikatwang o sinabre
We will make it scream. Ganda ko pagnining, lalo kong mapatingin. Di ko na kailangan na magpaganda. Walang panalo na, di ko na filter sa camera. Puro ganda ay ibebeka. Di ko kailangan sumabay sa puso. Ako'y magiging ang aking niluto. Ang kakera, ang ako'y hirapan. Di ko kapatid sa sasabihin, di ba? Ang kakera, umaasa mong karisma. Ang tunay kong ganda sa lahat na iba. Ako'y napaparaan, narinig ang bulungan. Ako'y di kagandahan, ngunit ako'y napakialam. Di ko na kailangan ng paganda, walang panalo na. Dito na payo ng gira, para ibandera aking ganda. Di ko kailangan sumabay ka sa puso. Ako'y magiging kapag na aking ginusto. Ang magkamagera, ang ako'y hirapan. Di magkapatid ang sasabihin, di ba? Ang magkamagera, umaasa mong karisma. Ang tunay kong ganda sa lahat ng iba. Ang magkamagera, ang magkamagera. Ilang standards na sinasabi nila. O marami ang gawin ang talagang may masasabi sila. Sagot ang mundo, ako'y nakapangin. Ako'y magiging kapag na aking ginusto.
Lord, ganda ka in person. Killed me this week, but I've got 7 lives left. Catwoman, hear me.
Good morning to one and all. Mary Ann Pinabre, representing Kawayan Elementary School and Cluster. Yeah.
everyone. I'm from this number, Nishan Way. In full of skills, a skills of brain. Manilin Labidon, and Princess Aurora of Sleeping Beauty, representing Manao Elementary School and Cluster.